What up guys, this is number 1 BMX Josh here, and today it's my bike check, and I'm going to make it quick because I don't know how long this camera is going to time out on, but I'm going to start off with the bars and go down. I got lizard skin, sharp ass grips that hurt, lizard skin bar ends, or MOB is what they're called. I got backwards gyro Tektro. I didn't do this, guys. It was the bike shop, not me. 8.5 Rise Haro biker bars. I don't know why they're called that, but that's what they're called on the website. Got a whole bunch of stickers and stuff. Sunday and Shadow, all that. I got Demolition Skin. I think it's a female fork. Kamali Forks, just Haro Kamali Forks. Cane Creek S1 headset. Let me get over here in the light. Cane Creek, yeah, Cane Creek. Odyssey sticker. Haro 300.2 20.5 cop tube. Alienation PBR rims. Let's see. Kenda contact tires, 1.95 in the front and 2.25 in the back. Or no, 2.25 in the front, 1.95 in the back. Let's see. Haro 3-piece cranks with Haro recycled PC pedals. I got a bent Haro sprocket from grinding and stuff. Like, I don't like grinding that much, that's why I took my pegs back off. KMC normal chain, it's a Quando hub cassette, and then another Quando hub in the front, and Kamali spokes, or whatever, I don't know what it's called, and the bike weighs 22 pounds altogether, and it's not dialed because of this retarded thing. Yeah, other than that, it's dialed. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and Haro plastic seat pivot, and Haro seat clamp and seat post. Bye, guys. Some clips now.